Hi guys, welcome to our channel. And look what's outside of our window, a beautiful rainbow. Well, you know what they say, at the end of each rainbow, there is a pot of gold. Has anybody ever found that? Well, this rainbow, you can see it for miles away. As the rain starts to move out of the area and the sun starts to peek its way through the trees. Oh, what a beautiful day! We stumbled upon these flowers dancing in the wind. As always, be kind to one another and treat someone as you want to be treated. Thank you for watching and be well.